joining my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share, comment, and likes. And okay, let's directly go to the topic today. The topic is problem solving with simultaneous equation. And I have four questions here. So the first question is, two numbers have a sum of 30 and a difference of 5. Find the numbers. How do we can solve this in terms of simultaneous equations? Okay, first they said that two numbers, so we don't know exactly what number is that. So what we can do is we have to choose two variables, two different variables to represent those two numbers. So let x and y be the unknown numbers. But don't forget that one of them should be bigger or less than. So we can put it as x bigger equals to y. So that's the first step. Now we can go to the second step. So then x plus y, they said that two numbers, when we add them together, the total 30. So this is going to be the first equation. And it says again that it has a difference of 5. So when you subtract x minus y equals to 5. So that's going to be the second equation. Remember, this is to represent when it comes to the sum. This is when it comes to difference, or it means subtract. So the next one is you have to choose what kind of operation that you should apply. Okay, if you can see that when you subtract x, then it remains y. So then I can subtract this. So y minus y equals to 30 minus 5. Then this is 2y 25. Okay, 2y 25. So y 25 divided by 2. Then y 12 1 out of 2. That is the first one. Now to find out the value of x, then you can substitute y equals to 12 1 out of 2. You can choose either to equation 1 or 2. I'm gonna try to equation 1. So x plus y equals to 30. X plus 12 1 out of 2, 30. So x equals to 30 minus 12 1 out of 2. So this is 17 out of 2. So that's the way we can find out the numbers of x and y. So we can put it, the number of x and y. So the number are x equals to 17 out of 2 and y 12 out of 2. Next question. Let's do the next question. The next question is, a carpenter makes cabinets and desks. Its cabinet has 2 doors and 3 drawers, and its desk has 1 door and 5 drawers, the same as are used for the cabinets. The carpenter has 41 doors and 100 drawers available. How many of its item of furniture should he make to use his entire supply of doors and drawers? Okay, because you want to make sure that what exactly the total of supply needed. Then we have to label it first. So we have to list them first. So you have to list the item, the number, and also door, and also drawers. That's the first part. The item that we're gonna list here is that there is cabinet, or the cabinet here, and also there is this. The numbers we don't know exactly, so we can put it as X, wait, let me check, and then this is as X, and that's as Y. Now it says that its cabinet has 2 doors and 3 drawers, so you can times this 2 times X according to that here, and this 3 times X. Now look at again for the desk. Its desk has 1 door and 5 drawers, so it's remaining X. Oh, sorry, that's just Y, and 5 drawers in the desk, so 5 times X. But this is exactly Y, sorry. The next one is find the total. So total. The carpenter has 41 doors and 100 drawers. Doors for the cabinet and drawer for the desk. So 41 and 100. Now we can use this information in order to make the equation. So equation the first equation, 2x plus y equals to 41. And then the second equation, 3x plus 5y equals to 100. Now, once you got this, you can apply the concept what we learned in part 3 before, and simultaneous equation. Either you can apply using substitution or elimination. Now, if you look at this, if you want to solve this, you can solve by now solution. 2x plus 5y, plus y equals to 41, and then 3x plus 5y equals to 100. Then this is you can times by 5, this is can times by 1, so this is equals to 10x plus 5y equals to 205, and this is 3x plus 5y equals to 100. So you got it already, and okay, I'll try to make this better. So there we go. Now we can subtract them. Why I have to subtract? Because I want to get one variable only remaining. So subtract this first because I want to find the value of x. So 10x minus 3x equals to 205, right? 205 minus 100. Understood? 205 minus 100. So 7x equals to, this is 205, then this is 105. So x 105 divided by 7, x equals to 15. So we have this. Okay, let's move this next question first a bit down so I can do the next question. I just prepared the question so make it faster to explain and make the video. So just move a bit and scroll it up again. Okay, the next step, so you can substitute. Once you got it, you can substitute to find. So to find the value of y, substitute x equals to 15 into equation 1 or 2. So you can substitute it. So let's try to do into equation 1 because you want to prove it, whether it fits you both of the equation. So 2x plus y equals to 41. 2x plus y equals to 41. So x is 15. 2 times 15 plus y, 41. 30 plus y, 41. 41 minus 30, y, that is 11. Okay, now let's prove for the second equation. Do we have the same answer? Equation 2. 3x plus 5y equals to 100. Now x is 15. 3 times 15 plus 5y equals to 100. So 5y 100. This is before 45. So 5y 100 minus 45. So y equals to 100 minus 45. Then 3 times 15 plus 5y equals to 155. Divide by 5. Y equals to 11. Look at that. So they both have the same answer. So we can give the final statement or final answer. So the carpenter should make 15 cabinets and 11 desks. Okay, that is the answer. Now let's move on to question 3 and 4. I have these two remaining questions, but before that I have to move this question first. Let's move a bit this question. This equation to the next bits below. I hope it is going to be fit to here, or that's kind of far, I guess. There we go. Okay, question 3. At a clearance sale, all CDs are sold for one price, and all DVDs are sold for another price. Marisa bought 3 CDs and 2 DVDs for a total of $34.50, and Nico bought 2 CDs and 5 DVDs for a total of $56. The question: find the cost of each item. So we have to find out the cost of each item, DVDs and CDs. So let's do the first one here. What we can do again, step one, don't forget that. Step one, you have to label, identify what kind of object or item that we're trying to find out. Here, there is series and diffides. Series 3 series, 2 diffides, 34.50, 2 series, 5 diffides, 56. I think that's very clear. What you can do is just label them. So labeling, so let X, that's for, okay, I'm going to use different label. Let A, that's for series. Okay, so B, that's for DVD. Now, how many CD does Marisa, how many CD did Marisa buy? So then from this we can go to Marisa 3A plus 2B equals to 34. Okay, if you look at to that 34.50, you can convert it into everything in cents, so like it times with 100. And also for Nico, why I have to times that, so there's no more decimal like 34.50, so everything should be in a whole number. Nico bought 2 CD, so 2A plus 5B, 56 times 100. So we have this, then we can give the final answer. So the final answer, then we can convert it into 3A plus 2B equals to 3, 4, 50, and then 2A plus 5B, 5, 600. Now you can times this. I'm gonna times with 2, I'm gonna times with 3. Why I wanna times with 3? Because I want to remove A first, so I can find the variable of B. So 6A plus 4B, then 6,900, and then 6A plus 15B, then 16,800. Then this is remove, subtract. Then the next step is 4B minus 15B, and 6,900 minus 16,800. So that's 11B, and then I can give it into 9,900. Okay, 9,900. So Y minus 9,900. So then B, because both of them negative, so we can remove this, and then it's remaining 9,900 divided by 11. So B is equals to 900. Remember that before this is DVD. Now we have to find out the price for CD. Now substituting to find the price or cost of one CD. So substitute b equals to 900 into one of the equations. So you can choose. You can choose one of them, either equation 1 or equation 2. Let's say that I said before that this is going to be equation 1, equation 2. So you can choose one of them. Equation 1, equation 2. So if you want to make it into 3a plus 2b, so equation 1. So 3a plus 2b equals to 3450. b is 900. 3a plus 2 times 900, 3450. So 3a plus 1800 and 3450. So then you subtract, you move 1000. So you have to move this into that. Then you will get 3450 minus 1800. So then this is 1650, right? And then divide by 3. So a is 550. But again, that you have to convert everything in dollar. So a 55, that equals to $5.50. This is for one, that's DVD before, so this is for CD, for one CD. And B, it's 900 before, right? So then that's equivalent to $9 for one DVD. I think that's very clear, right? Okay, let's do the last question. Question number 4. Question number 4, this is related to a geometrical shape, which is we talk about triangle. A triangle that is equilateral has sides of length 3x minus y centimeter, and then x plus 5 centimeter, y plus 3 centimeter. Okay, the first step that you have to do, you draw. You have to draw the equilateral triangle. Okay, I want to draw it better. So there we go. Just assume that this is equilateral triangle A, B, C. It says that one of the length, which is, I'm gonna start with 3x minus y, and then x plus 5, and then y plus 3. So as they equilateral, so A, B, equilateral to BC, equilateral to AC, right? So what we can do now is I want to find the equation. So in order to find the equation, so I can use to find equation 1, AB equals to BC. So AB is 3x minus y equals to x plus 5. 3x minus y equals to x plus 5. Then now rearrange. You move this, right? Then you will find out the equation 3x minus x minus y equals to 5. 2x minus y equals to 5. So that's the first equation. Now to find equation equation 2. So I'm going to use BC equals to AC. So BC x plus 5 equals to y plus 3. Now I want to remove this here. Then x, and also I have to remove this to that side. So then x minus y equals to 3 minus 5. X minus y equals to negative 2. So then this is going to be the second equation. So I have these two equations. Now apply the elimination method. So we can apply the elimination method. 2x minus y equals to 5. This is a bit step, like long step. So x minus y equals to negative 2. Okay, luckily we have one variable that we can cancel both together directly. So we can use in the math operation that we can add them together. So this is gone. Oh, not add them, but we have to subtract them. So 2x minus x equals to, because why? Because minus y minus y. So it means that minus y plus y. Okay, let me try to write down. So 2x minus y minus y minus y equals to 5 minus 2. Okay, I think that's very clear. So to make you guys all understand easily, 2x minus x, that is x, and then minus y plus y equals to 5 plus 2 x. Now this is cancel. So then x equals to 7. So I have x7. So to find y, substitute x equals to 7. So I'm going to use one of the equation, because this is equation 1, that is equation 2. Let's say that I'm using equation 1. 2x minus y equals to 5, and then 2 times 7 minus y equals to 5. So 14 minus y equals to 5, minus y equals to 5 minus 14. So minus y minus 9. So I can remove this. So y equals to 9. So I have this answer together. So now I can identify what is the length of the side. So let's copy the diagram above in order to find out what is the length of the side. Okay, I'm going to copy, and then we can identify this. Okay, it's a bit difficult to identify that, so let me try and write down again that the length is, one of the length 3x minus y centimeter, and then y plus 3 centimeter and x plus 5 centimeter. Okay, you just need to substitute. So then 3 times 7 minus 9, so 21 minus 9 equals to 12. And then y 9 plus 3, that's also 12. And x 7 plus 5, that's also 12. So the sides are 12 centimeter long. Okay guys, I think that is the end of our lesson today, and I hope that using this YouTube channel you can learn a lot about simultaneous equation. And today is the end of the topic of simultaneous equation, and tomorrow I'll make a new topic in math. And hope you guys learn so much from my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment, like, and share.